Hello guys, my name is Pulkit Gupta and today we are going to study about cubital fossa. So in the cubital fossa we will study what is cubital fossa, its boundaries, its content and then some clinical correlations. So without wasting time, let's get started. So cubital fossa, basically it is present in the arm, in your arm. So basically cubital fossa is triangular, hollow depression you can say, basically, and basically where it is present in front of elbow. This is a triangular structure which is present in front of elbow, that is cubital fossa. Now why we are studying the cubital fossa? What is the need? Because cubital fossa contains some important structures which has a clinical importance. That's why we are studying the cubital fossa. Now first of all we see all the things, the boundaries as well as the content through a simple diagram. Just take one pen and one paper and draw the diagram with me. So I am drawing just a rough diagram. So this is arm. So this is arm. I have drawn it bigger because to understand it better. So this is arm. This is elbow region. Now this is humerus. I am drawing for the better understanding. This is humerus. So these two structures are the epicondyles of the humerus. So we draw an imaginary line passing through two condyles. So this will give us the base of the cubital fossa. Now we'll draw since triangle contains two sides and a base, so we have drawn the base. Now the two sides. So first of all you should remember that this is lateral side and this is medial side. So on the lateral side there is a muscle present, that is a muscle present. You can see there is a muscle present in this region. Since this in lateral side, basically on the radial side, so the name of the muscle is brachioradialis. The name of the muscle is on the radial side is brachioradialis, and on the medial side is one muscle which is coming out from medial epicondyle, is the pronator teres. As you can see, this brachioradialis overlaps the pronator teres muscle. This is pronator teres. Pronator teres. These two muscles. Now as you can see, we have formed a triangle. This is a base and these are the two muscles. So if we see the boundaries, so if we say what will be the boundaries, so as you can see on the lateral side, so on the lateral side if we see, so this is a medial border of brachioradialis, so we can say medial border of brachioradialis, while on the medial side you can see, on the medial side it is a lateral border of pronator teres. See, you can see this is medial border and this is lateral border, so you can see lateral border of pronator teres. Now, and the base is formed by imaginary line joining two epicondyles. and apex. These two muscles join to form apex. And if we see floor, so floor is formed by the upper part, if we see, by the brachialis, by the brachialis, and the lower part by the supinator. Now this is the floor, basically present to upper part is by the brachialis and lower part by the supinator. And if we see roof, see in your our upper limb, you can see first is skin present in your roof, skin. Then what you can see is a superficial fascia, and then deep fascia. So deep fascia makes the roof of the cubital fossa. Deep fascia will mainly form the roof of the cubital fossa. So these are all the boundaries. Through a simple diagram, as you can see, you understand all the boundaries. Now we'll see the contents of the cubital fossa. So to understand the contents, you can remember the contents by a simple mnemonic, that is MPBS. So this is a mnemonic for remembering the contents of cubital fossa. So now I will explain it. The first is structure present is from M is the median nerve. This is a median nerve present. After this is from B. There is a artery present, that is brachial artery. There is an artery present, that is brachial artery. This is brachial artery. Now from another M is the basically tendon of biceps, you can say. It is the, so this is tendon of biceps. And one more structure from S is a superficial branch of radial nerve. You can see one branch. This is superficial branch of radial nerve. Now we'll write it, the names. So you can see this is from M, median nerve. Then from from B is a brachial artery. From, you can see, from another B is a biceps tendon. And from S you can see superficial radial nerve. So these all are the contents of the cubital fossa. So through just a simple diagram, as you can see, we have explained you the contents. See, from M, median nerve, B, brachial artery, another B, biceps tendon, and S, superficial branch of radial nerve. So you just have to remember MBBS for the contents of cubital fossa. And now we'll see clinical correlations. So clinical coordination. So one structure that is present is the, as you can see, is the, this from B is the brachial artery. So this brachial artery is very important because this brachial artery is used for recording the blood pressure. Basically we put our stethoscope on the brachial artery to measure the blood pressure. So this is brachial artery. Now the second clinical condition is if there is a fracture around the elbow. If there is fracture around elbow, so it will basically, the contents of cubital fossa will get basically damaged due to the, if there is a fracture around the elbow. And one more thing is, that is median cubital vein. median cubital. So first of all, I have to tell you one concept, that is, see, this is lateral side and this is medial side. So if you put your hand on any table, so your medial side will basically be like, I am telling you just a trick, so will be become your base. So there is a basilic vein present. While there is a basilic vein present, while on the basically I am telling you around the elbow in this region. So basilic vein present, while on the lateral side this is cephalic vein present. This basilic vein will join the cephalic vein around the elbow, and basically this is the median cubital vein. So this median cubital vein is very important, because from this vein we collect blood samples. And also gives IV intravenous injections. So that's it for cubital fossa. Hope you guys like it. Please like, share, subscribe, and please guys don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you guys.